It's just here.
I'm pretty sure the turn's like...
Turn right up. Otherwise we can go back up that way and go.
Have you guys got a trailer?
I do at my house, Ben's house, but it won't fit all 3 bikes.
So do you guys have motorbike licenses?
No.
How old are you? Just take your helmet off so I can see. And what about you, mate?
16.
15.
16.
Whereabouts are you guys from? You from Mackay?
Ish.
Are you guys going to get motorbike licenses? Yeah, you're going to have to get them now. Okay?
You need them for a dirt bike?
You need them for a bike, a motorbike if you're riding them on the road. Doesn't matter if it's a dirt bike or motocross bike. Or you're going to have to do something, but you're going to be all going to be forbidden from riding a motorbike until you obtain a motorbike license. That's a bike that you ride on the road. Okay?
Yep.
You can ride your motorbikes, these ones, as long as you're in the river. Okay?
Yep.
Yeah. Because yeah, you can do that, but you can't ride them on the road. They're not road bikes. You guys have a crash, you get killed. Well, straight away, it's your fault. You're not driving a road legal vehicle. These bikes don't have one. Okay? So I'll just grab all your details and then you guys can get off, alright?
Should I start?
Cool. So, have you guys all got driver's licenses?
Yes.
Yeah.
Just back to the house. Hang on, I'm restricted.
Because you don't have suitable, I mean, you should be wearing pants, man.
Sweaty for the last ride.
Yeah.
So,
That's alright. Hey, they're your legs, mate.
yeah.
Almost lost one the other.
Yeah, well, we lost the motorcyclists the other day, didn't we?
That was terrible.
If you ride them on the street, you're fair game.
Yeah.
I've probably
What
impounded.
about, like, up here?
No, this is still a road.
Right.
This is still a road. This isn't private property. This is the verge of a road is a road. You can push them. I strongly suggest you do because we probably impound 2, 3, 4 bikes a week.
Theoretically, the river's a road too, though.
Theoretically it is, but do you think I'm going to take my brand new patrol car down the river?
No, probably not.
I've crashed one patrol car in my police career so far, and I just lost my job, so I'm going to do it again. Alright. But you're right, if we're going by the book, yes, the river is a road. Anywhere that foreseeably a vehicle can go, that constitutes a road. However, we can show discretion, so it's fine for you guys to ride your bikes in the river and down at the track and stuff. But getting them there, if you're on the road, you got to be by the book. So you're either pushing them or you're trailing them.
Yeah.
You can't be hooning around the street, doing wheelies, whatever. Which one you did the wheelie? Because now you're going to open yourself up to your bike getting impounded.
What happens if they get impounded, like waiting time to buy them?
Do they get crushed?
Then if you don't get them, go and pick them up. Within 3 months they get sold. And the towee takes the profit. So, it's about $400 to get them out. So, 2 options. Alright, you either get all 3 of you either get $400 fines for riding without the appropriate driver's license. That's option 1. Okay, and we'll add on $55 for not producing your driver's license either, and not riding a bike, a motor vehicle with no warrant for this registration. So that's another $300. So that's already $750. Or we all say we've learned a lesson today, and you guys piss off down to the river. No, you can ride them, but I'll pretend I didn't see it. Alright? So which one do you want? Option 1 or option 2? Option 2 sounds pretty good, eh?
Thank you.
Yeah. So what's the lesson? I'm not trying to be a dick about it. I'm just saying you will get stopped by other cops who will just smash you with tickets because that's their, you know what KPIs are? Key performance indicators. So they have to give out a certain amount of tickets for highway patrol guys, etc. So if I was a highway cop and I was running rolling tickets per day, I would just fill my boots with all 3 of you. No license, no warrant of fitness, no registration, rolling with license, running without appropriate driver's license, safety gear for you.
Yeah.
So
I suppose long sleeve.
if you'd taken off and we'd had a pursuit, then I'd caught you, then I'd be taking all your bikes. Mandatory. And you come to port. Right?
Saying that, this gets 160, and I think the river bed, I don't know where that's going.
No, that's fine.
You can catch up, but maybe not on a dirt track.
It's fine. There is such thing as tactical contact, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
It's a long way to fall.
Yeah. But yeah. Basically, what I'm saying is trailer them or push them. Even if the temptation's there, be like, oh, there's no cops around. We'll just ride it. All right.
Yeah.
So on the way back, ride or just float like that?
Well, you can ride them if you want, but if I see
Yeah.
you, I'm just going to pretend I don't see you.
Oh,
But there are other cops working in Rakaia, okay?
Thank you.
Well, I'm about to finish, so my car's going to go to someone else. Okay? So there are other cops working today in this area, I'll tell you that. I don't know exactly whereabouts they are at the moment. They'll be floating around here somewhere. So if you decide to ride them, that's on your head. I can't say you will be stopped, okay? Alright?
Oh, thank you very much.
No, you're right.
What's
So
your
how
name?
about sorry?
What's your name?
Ben.
Ben.
So how about I
Hey,
follow
thanks,
you? How about I follow you down to the river?
Right. Sounds good.
And
Cool.
that way we formalise the process, okay?
Yep, that's
Alright.
cool.
Thank you.
Sweet as.
Alright, no worries, enjoy your ride. Good day.
I'm lucky.
Alright, I'll follow you boys down there.
Cheers.
There we go.